Need a crosshair for your Chromebook? Don't worry, I got you.
Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a custom crosshair for any of your cloud gaming games that you play. Alright, so if you're playing Fortnite on a Chromebook with a cloud gaming service, you can use this to ultimately get a custom crosshair. Alright, so this is how you want to do it. You want to head over to the Chrome Web Store. Alright. And over here, you want to search for Crosshair Plus. Alright. And this is the result you're going to get. Alright, now you just want to add this extension. Alright. And here's a little warning for any school Chromebook users. This probably will not work for 90% of school Chromebooks. So if you want to try it, you can. But it most likely will end up not working. Alright, for those people who don't have a school Chromebook, this is the extension. We have a little toggle up here to turn it on and off. We have our size toggle, and then we have our custom image URL, which we're going to focus on now. Alright, so to get a custom crosshair, because the default one isn't good, you want to search up custom crosshair builder. Alright, and then you want to use the Cavox crosshair generator. Alright, now it's pretty easy to generate one. I made mine in like 5 minutes. Alright, if you don't want to do it and you're like extremely lazy, you can start with one of the templates and start editing it from there. Alright, but after that, what you want to do is you want to download your crosshair PNG. Alright, and then you want to upload it to Google Photos here. Alright, so you want to upload it to Google Photos, and you want to open up the image. Now we're going to click our little share button. Alright, and then we're going to click create link. Alright, and this link will have access for you to share it with anyone that has the link. Alright, so we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste it. Alright, and now we have this. We're going to click it. Alright, and now we want to right click the image, and we want to click open image in new tab, and here we have our image. So you want to copy our URL, open up our custom image, and we just want to paste it in, and we want to hit reload crosshair. Alright, that's going to get you your crosshair. Now just for those people who want to see the crosshair in action, I'm going to turn it on, reload, and it's right there. Kind of hard to see here, but let me search up a black background. So here, as you can see, we have our little crosshair. Alright, this should work on all Chromebooks except, again, TDSB ones, or school ones, because they just don't end up working out. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all next time.